Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to filter jobs on LinkedIn. This one is pretty simple and straightforward, so let's get to it. First, search for your job. So go over to job section and press on this icon and search for your job. So let's say in my case it will be video editor. Now, once you have searched for your job, there you have it. There is all of the filters. So you can filter the job, so all people, jobs, posts, so you can filter what you are looking for exactly with this term. You can filter date posted, so it could be anytime past month. It could be actually past week or past 24 hours. And it will immediately show you how many results it has. So as you can see, show 10 results. It can be filtered by experience level, so it can be internship, entry level, associate, mid-senior level, director or executive. It can also be sorted by company, so as you can see lots of companies here. It can be sorted if it's remote, on-site or hybrid, and it can be also easy apply one. You can see all filters right here. If you click on all filters, you can see it right here. As you can see, you can filter any job you want. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.